see, the house is gorgeous. I'm really excited. So I'm here today at my new client's house, doing my preliminary measurements and taking pictures and videos and just getting a feel of the project. The project is going to start in a couple weeks and I'm very excited. As you can see, it's gorgeous, so I just can't wait to get started. Two-story home, and it's obviously modern build, so it's a new build, so super fresh. Completely empty, so this is like the perfect time to get started on a project. I'm a house to myself, so I can think I need to get done. I'm going to be taking measurements, videos, and just making sure everything that we're going to do is going to be precise as far as furnishing. So can't wait, let's get started. Take a look at this pantry. It's almost like a butler's pantry. There's cabinets and a counter, and then there's lots of shelving and space here. So I would say it's pretty good size. Then the kitchen, dining, living. Backyard's kind of small, but they do have an outdoor kitchen, which is nice. I don't know if you can see that. So I plan to make this a series to take you guys along with me from the beginning to the end of the design, so definitely stay tuned. This is going to be part 1, and then I'll create more videos displaying the progress of the project. Beautiful chandelier when you first walk in, little balcony up there. This is the lighting here. The hall tree, garage, under the stairs storage, plenty of storage here. All right, this is the first room to the right. It's not a huge room, but decent sized. If you're thinking about this for the gym, totally doable. Great lighting. And then this is the bathroom. Next room to the right. Right here. I would say these rooms are about the same size. This one has a closet. I don't think the other room has a closet, and it has its own bathroom, so. Either one, honestly. Oops. Oh, they share the same bathroom. Okay, so the difference is the other room is attached. This room is attached to this bathroom, and then this room is not, and there's no closet. Here's a sneak peek of the bathroom. Favorite part is there's 2 shower heads. Definitely goals in a master bathroom. And plenty of drawer space. Perfect. Two sinks, double vanity, drawers, perfect for storage, soft clothes. More storage here. Beautiful closet, walk-in closet. Okay, so we are headed upstairs. Let's see what the rest of this house is looking like. Okay. I just got winded. This is really sad just going up the stairs, but yeah, let me get it together. Jack and Jill bathroom, but separate vanities, which is nice. The lighting situation in the shower room. First vanity room, second vanity room. Jack and Jill, this is the bedroom. This is that same guest room. Has a white fan. And this is not attached to the bathroom. First bedroom, second bedroom, theater room, and then there's another bedroom there. So 3 bedrooms. First bedroom, and it is attached to the master. Second bedroom, not attached to a master, but attached to a bathroom. Second bedroom, also attached to the bathroom. This is the Jack and Jill combo in the other video. Plenty of light in this room. Plenty of light in here. And then this is the laundry room. So if it was closed, this is what it looks like. Cabinetry. Already did that bathroom, but on to the third bedroom. So all in all, I will be designing 14 different spaces. And the spaces are basically rooms, but some spaces are within one room. So the living area, I include living room with entryway as one space, kitchen and dining room as one space, and so on. But either way, it's a lot. So stay tuned for all the transformations to come. It's definitely going to be a process, but I'm excited and I can't wait to put a unique stamp on it. Okay, I just finished measuring everything. This house is huge, but I had a great time doing it because it's just beautiful. My vision is visioning. So, all done, headed out. Stay tuned for more of this transformation.